Hey everyone, James with TFBTV, SHOT Show Industry Day in the Range for SHOT Show 2020. You guys know I will always visit Colt at SHOT Show Range Day. So I'm with my good buddy Mark from Colt. He's gonna tell us about something that a lot of you have been saying that Colt should have done a long time ago. Mark, what is that?
We reintroduced the Colt Python. And when I say reintroduce, it's not really the term I should use. We redesigned it, and it's actually a better Python than the old one, mainly because materials are much better today. CNC machining is much better. You know, everybody says, oh, those hand-fitted guns. Well, hand-fitted guns were a necessity because no two parts were identical like we can today. We can hold tolerances so nice. This gun is actually 30% stronger than the original. We actually removed 8 parts from the action that we felt weren't needed. And if you do trigger scans of an old Python, which we do have in our engineering vaults, to the new one, you'll see the new one has a much more consistent trigger pull, cylinder to cylinder to cylinder to cylinder, versus an old one. An old one almost gives you trigger pull here, trigger pull here, trigger pull here. But these are all just about straight across, no stacking. We did have some new shooter-friendly things that we did. Number one is we did a front sight like we did the Cobra and King Cobra, where it's held in with an Allen screw so the shooter himself can change it out. And the good news is the Cobra sights are the same height and fit in. So night sight, fiber optic, or the brass bead that are available on those guns will work on this if you want to change it around a little bit. So we really did a lot of thought process in it. We put a lot of rounds through it. We've done 20,000 dry fire cycles on a machine to make sure everything worked fine. We've done a lot of live fire testing. I can attest to that. I've shot it a lot. I just think it's one of the best products we've come out with in probably, well, the 5 years I've worked with Colt.
So compared to the original Python, then it sounds like we're talking a gun that's simpler, that's more durable, with a better trigger, more modular sights. I mean, is that really, have I summed up the main differences?
Yes, you have. You really have. And don't forget, you know, in this day and age where revolvers are all sleeve tubes, this barrel that is machined from bar stock, it is a one-piece barrel with a full underlug. And if you set them side by side, it would take somebody who knows Pythons to see the few little minor changes that we've done, but you know, all the leather from the old ones will fit, and all the grip from the old ones fit this frame. So I'm really excited about it. I tell people this is great because all you guys that bought the old collectibles, you can leave them in the gun safe, but now you can buy a Python that you can shoot and shoot and shoot.
And that's the other thing I was going to say is you have a lot of people who, like when the SP5 came out for H&K, I made a joke about HK94 owners being like, ah, damn it, you know, like the bottom just fell out of my gun. But that's not the case because it's different, but it's improved. And so you're still going to have the collector value of the old Colt Pythons too.
It's like I tell a lot of people when I've had people say it's going to drop the value of my collector. I said, that's like saying my 66 Corvette is going to lose value because of a brand new Corvette. It's not going to happen. Those original early Pythons are going to still be up there, create a primo to get, but this is a great one you can buy and shoot all day long.
The 2 magic questions of SHOT Show: date, price.
Well, believe it or not, we announced the release January 1st. The entire month of December, we were shipping to our distributors, and they were under NDA not to tell anybody that they have it. They've been in stock. We shipped in the month of December about 3,500 into distribution. Every day we're making them, so they're going out to distribution. We released a 4 1/4 inch, and the reason we did 4 1/4 so that it'll work in a lot of your international markets, and a 6-inch version, and both of them are out there, and they're a little tough to get because of the demand for them, but they are shipping every day.
And what's the MSRP?
$14.99.
Mark, I'm really excited. I know everybody else is going to be really pumped to see you guys reintroduce a classic, truly one of the classic American handguns. Glad that you guys announced it here at SHOT Show. Well, I mean, we talked about it a little bit before, but you know, that's what you're showing off here at SHOT Show. And thank you for taking the time to speak with us about it.
Thank you.
Guys, stay tuned. We're going to bring you more from SHOT Show Industry Day at the range.